Beautiful little girl.
Okay. He's in the background happily.
Hi, this is Anusha and I run Cats in This Academy. This is Toothless and this is Duchess and I am a cat mom of two special needs cats.
Toothless came to me when I least expected it. In fact, he was the only cat in a dog store. He was absolutely terrified and he was also abandoned from his previous owner. He was, of course, kept in conditions that I could not tolerate, and I just spontaneously decided to bring him home. I had no knowledge of cats when I brought Tutu home. I didn't even realize I needed basics like litter, I needed a proper food bowl, what kind of food packets I can get for him. I was, I was very ignorant. I had to upskill for the sake of my cats so that I can be a better cat mom. Toothless, in fact, unfortunately was diagnosed with CKD. CKD is a very commonly occurring kidney dysfunction in cats. We tried a lot of different opinions. He was on saline drips and a various number of drugs. I think what really worked was his diet. We switched to a renal diet and he's been on a renal diet ever since. And it's the renal diet and nutrition elements that has changed his journey. Duchess, I also call her Chintu because she was very, very tiny when she was brought home. She's the runt of the litter and she's visually impaired, which actually put her in a very difficult situation in terms of trying to get healthy again. But as you can see today, she's an absolute fur ball. She is the daughter I always wanted to have. Life with a blind cat is actually very different because you need to make so many changes around your house, because a lot of things change in terms of their ability to map the flat, their ability to map where larger, heavier objects are placed. They rely on that muscle memory. That's why they need a little more predictability in their environment. They need toys that are specially designed for their enrichment. But blind cats can live a very happy, fulfilling life. And if I could leave you with one message from my journey with Chintu, it would be to encourage you to bring home visually impaired animals who deserve a loving home, because apart from that one function, they're 100% going to give you the life and purpose that I found right now.